Welcome to 6th episode of Traffic Secret series. My name is Mario and today I'm going to share with you secret number 6. So in secret number 6, I'm going to share with you the secret of follow-up funnels. And guys, it's going to be a good one, I promise. So let me share with you the first sentence, right? Because I find it powerful. So my mentor and friend David Frey wrote, a study done by the Association of Sales Executives revealed that 81%, guys, of all sales, it happens on or after the fifth contact, right? So if you're a small business owner and you're only doing 1 or 2 follow-ups, imagine all the business that you're losing. And I see this every time, and even for me, when I was starting out in business, I didn't do this. I reached out to a person one time and he said no, or maybe, or just haven't decided yet, and then I just never followed up with them. So that's not the way to do a business, because most of the sales are done on the 5th or more, right? Or sometimes on 8th of the contact with the prospect. And so hugely important. And even it's not just in business. If there is a woman and you want some girl, right, and you ask her out once and she say no, maybe it's not. Maybe she didn't say no because she doesn't like him. Maybe she just have to go somewhere with her family, or maybe she just has something urgent that she has to do. But if you follow up with her on the second, third time, try to ask her. Maybe she will go, right? But you will never know if you just quit after the first no or the first attempt. So, guys, hugely important. And so, guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet, because we will going to cover the all secret from this book in this series, right? So you don't miss it out. Even if you don't have this book yet, you will learn most valuable things inside. So hit that subscribe button right now. And the Russell is sharing the numbers in this book as well. So it's hugely important to look at the numbers as well, right? And also, so there is like the secret to quickly grow your list with paid ads. Right, so what most people do in the marketplace, they create an offer and they do not have any follow-up sequence, right? And you will lose money if you do it in this way, because most sales are done on, just like the secret that I share with you, most sales will be done on the 5th email you send, right? You will create a sequence where people will be getting daily emails, right? And some people will make purchase on the 3rd, some people on the 4th, and some people will never purchase, but you will increase your chance of making your offer profitable if you just create this follow-up sequence, right? And you can create it just one time, right? I use ActiveCampaign for this. I've tried multiple autoresponders. ActiveCampaign is just more powerful and outperforms everything else. So I created an ActiveCampaign, and you create it just one time and it just runs for you forever, right? So make sure you invest the time to doing that. Most people are lazy and they don't do it, and that's why most people fail and build in business. So, and this is the example of the funnel, right? So I'm not sure, guys, if you can see it. I hope you can. So there is like front end funnel, right? You have a headline, you collect email list, so you can follow up with the customers, right? And then they will get on a thank you page, and they will get on your thank you page, and then you can you lose $3 with paid ads, but then you will be creating value emails, and then you will ascend like your prospects in your emails, in your value ladder, and eventually become profitable, right? So you can start with just free ebook that can go. You can upsell people to audiobook, right? Just like the Russell does it. And then you can upsell people to online course. And then you can upsell people to high ticket coaching, right? And that's how you will eventually become profitable. So hugely important to just make sure that you always build funnels. The websites with just one offer are dead now. And guys, if you want to learn this step by step and haven't gotten this free book yet, you can, Russell is giving it away free. You just cover the shipping, so I will put the link below this video, and you just cover small shipping fee. It's hardcover, so it's literally free. There is no bullshit, and in United States it's like $10 shipping, international is 20, but Russell is paying for this book almost $27. You can see it here. So there is no BS, it's really free. The Russell is just trying to deliver value so just go below, go click that link and get your free copy. And this is hugely important step, strategy. It's called 3 clauses: emotion, logic, fear. Right? So take a look at this golden nugget. So here is like people, here you can see emotion, right? So people do not buy with logic. People buy with emotion. They make emotion-based decision and then justify with the logic, all right? But people are different. Some people do make decision more based on logic. So you want to have all of them covered. You want to start appealing on emotional part of the brain that some people more focus on, right? And then the second email, you can do logical part, explain the features and what can bring to people. And then the last step, which is maybe the most important, you have to create urgency and scarcity, like that you will take that offer down and take that offer down, right? Eventually, because if people do not feel urgency or scarcity, the people will procrastinate and they will not take up your offer if they feel like they have forever time to take up your offer, right? So that's the human nature. That's how our brain works. And if you are having a great service, great product, you imagine, because some people don't want to do this, right? But imagine if your product will deliver awesome results to your customers, but you will not use the urgency and scarcity psychological biases, then they will never get your product and never get results. So it's your full responsibility to, if you have a great product, to make everything you can to deliver that product to your customer, right? Has to buy it. If you believe what you're selling, you have to be able to sell it. So here is the example, right? This is the example, like you can send 3 emails emotional based, then there is 3 emails logical, and then the last 3 fear, right? So, and I didn't understand this when I was starting out. I wasn't applying. I was applying, but just randomly without any scientific reasoning behind it. So, and then after I read this stuff first time in Expert Secrets, which is another awesome book from Russell Brunson, my conversions increased rapidly, guys. So make sure you use it. So it's like follow-up funnel, as Russell calls it, soap opera sequences, right? And yeah, so like this video, guys, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on upcoming series, right? And now you can watch another of the series, like secret number 5 or 4, like if you missed out on those, right? So just go through that playlist, huge value inside all of them. So just click this playlist right here and I will see you on the next video.